Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So, in today's video I have done a makeup look which is a bridal engagement look. So, if you want to know how I did it, keep watching till the end. So, this is the look I have created today. So, as I said, keep on watching till the end to know how I did it. Firstly, I have used Herbs and Mo's moisturizer. This is a strawberry flavored moisturizer. I have spread it all over the face, let it penetrate in the skin. Nextly, I have used a primer. You can use any primer on the T-zones of the face. I have applied it very properly. Next, I'm going to do her eyebrows. So for eyebrows, the every time shade, the dark brown shade, I'm going to shape her eyebrows very properly using a triangular brush. Nextly, I'm going to use a spoolie to take off the extra product from her eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use Inside 001 concealer. Using a concealer brush, I'm going to shape her eyebrows. It will help the eyebrows to highlight even more. Also, I'm going to apply on the lids of the eye. And use a sponge to just blend it properly. Next, I have used any loose powder to apply on her eyelids. Next, I'm going to take a tape. Nextly, I'm going to take a Maybelline Colossal Kajal. You can use any kajal because I'm going to make a smoky grayish type of eyeshadow today. So I'm going to take a small blending brush and then just blend it very properly and very smoothly. And I'll make sure that it's blended really properly from outer corner to the inner corner. Nextly, I have took the VLCC's Kajal. You can use the previous Kajal as well. I thought I'll be a little creative and use the Kajal, and I have applied the same place and I'm gonna blend it really properly. Nextly, I have take this Mars eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take the darker grey shade and then just apply in the middle of the eyelids. Nextly, I'm going to take the lighter grey shade and then just apply on the inner corners of her eyelids. Next, I'm going to apply the silver shade on the grey shade which we have applied previously. Nextly, I have took a liner. This is a marker liner and just I'm going to make a normal liner. Then now this is the time we'll remove the sellotape which we have applied previously. So this is the 079 concealer from the Crayons palette. This is a red shade which will help the dark circles to fade up. I'm gonna apply this using my fingers. Any black spot or any pimple mark if you have, you can use this. Using a sponge, I'm gonna blend it really properly. So the next shade I'm gonna use is from the same palette, the FS22. I'm gonna apply on the red shade which I have applied previously. Then I'm going to take a sponge and then just blend it really properly. Next I've took this Olivia's yellow shade. This is a concealer. I'm gonna spread it all over her face because she's a fair girl. So you can use this on a fair woman. I'm gonna blend it really properly using a blending brush. I'm gonna blend that concealer in the circular motion all over her face.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Nextly, I have took the same concealer from inside and then just I'm gonna apply under the eyes and also on her forehead, bridge of her nose and the chin. Now just blend it really properly. Nextly, I have this iconic illuminator, the inside foundation. I'm gonna mix that both and just apply on the highlight points of her face. I'm gonna blend it really properly using a damp sponge.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
I have took the loose powder. You can use any loose powder. This is the Johnson & Johnson baby powder. I think this is the best loose powder I've ever seen. So you have to apply this under the eyes, the forehead. It will help your skin to bake. After a few minutes, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder which I have applied. Next, I'm gonna use this blush from I Love Matte blusher. I'm gonna use the peach shade.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
Next, I'm going to use this SFR bronzer. I'm going to use on the cheekbones, the forehead and nose and chin and on the upper lips. I'm also going to use this same highlighter on the inner corners of her eyes, which will define your eyes really well. Nextly, I'm going to use this Lotus mascara. And then just brush off her eyelashes. Next, for under eyes, I'm going to give her to apply the kajal because she wanted her to apply the kajal. Nextly, I have this fake lashes from Huda Beauty. This is the number 003. I'm gonna stick it using a eyelash glue, and then using a brush I'm gonna just dab it really well. Nextly, I have used this pencil from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Zero Nude Cocoa. Next, this is a lipstick from NY Bay.
To an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Lastly, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's makeup fixer. I'm going to spray it all over her face. So you can see the final result, how it turned out, and she looks so beautiful.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you loved my look, how I created her. So let me know in the comment section below if you loved it, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So bye.